When it comes to formatting and managing pages, what I suggest you do is you click on the blank report canvas part of the page. And then on the visualizations pane, you'll see there's two buttons. The first button is called Build Visual, and the second button is called Format Page. And you can switch between them. If I go to the Format Page option, for example, I can set up page information, such as the name of the page. I can set up information like wallpaper and things like that. So let's do the wallpaper. I'm going to expand the wallpaper by hitting the chevron. I'm going to change the color to this option here, which is white but 10% darker, which gives it a grey appearance, as you can see here. And I can collapse that particular option and expand that particular option just by hitting the chevron. Now I want to actually format not the page but a particular visual. So I click on the text box here and you'll notice that it just says format. And then these are the general options with regards to this particular text box. And so what I can do is I can go into, say, effects, and I can say turn the background off, which will make sure that this blends with the page. So turn it off. And now I can see that I don't actually have a background on my text box, and therefore it blends with the color of the page. So if I click on the report canvas, I get these two buttons, Build Visual, Format Page, and I've got all sorts of settings regarding the page. And if I click on a particular visual, then I get formatting options relating to the visual I've just clicked on.